so good to see you. I'm so glad that you're back doing activity time. Now, we are going to be making our very own tennis rackets, and we're going to be playing a game called Up, Up, Up in the Air. For this activity, you could use a regular tennis racket, but if you haven't got one, paper plate, a wooden spoon, or even a kitchen roll tube would be fine, and one that hasn't got any tissue on. And you're going to need some balloons. I've blown up this balloon already. I've got one here that I haven't blown up. Now, when you blow up the balloons, you need to make sure that your grown-up does this. It's not something that children do, just in case they choke on the balloon. That wouldn't be very good, would it? So you're going to take your balloon and give it to your grown-up and ask them to blow it up, but make sure they don't blow it up fully, because it will go pop too quick. We only blow our balloons up halfway, so they've got lots and lots of squidgy and squidginess inside them. So I'm going to give it a stretch, and look, there's quite a lot of stretch in this. I'm only putting one big puff inside. There's quite a lot of bit on the end there. That's the bit I tie into a knot. Now I've done that, I'm going to write a letter on each balloon. Now, if you are going to play this at home, you might like to have a good number of balloons. I'm just going to use 2 for this activity when I'm doing it at my house. But in your house, if you've got lots of balloons, that's great. So you're going to write your letters on your balloons. So you can do any letters you like. I've got the A on this one. You might like to do the letters from your name, or even the first set from phase 2 phonics. So this one I'm going to put a S. Okay, so if you've only got one balloon at home, you could write lots of different letters on the one balloon. Or if you've got a few of you playing and you've only got 3 balloons and there's only 3 people, then write lots of letters on each balloon. Okay, so once you've done that, it's now time to make yourself a tennis racket. So I've got myself a paper plate. If you haven't got paper plates, just a piece of card, a cereal box, you could use that, and you could cut it, draw a circle and then cut the circle out. It doesn't have to be perfectly shaped, just a circle. Once you've done that, you're going to need something long and strong. It could be a kitchen roll tube, or even a wooden spoon like I've got here, and I've got some sticky tape. I'm going to take my sticky tape and my scissors. I'm going to actually cut 2 bits of sticky tape, and I'm going to stick them onto my balloon. Stick them onto my plate and my wooden spoon. I've got it on the bottom here, but it's a little bit loose on the top, so I'm going to put a nice big piece on the top part. So that's a bit longer than the other one. Just stick that on, just like this, and now I've got myself a bat. Okay, it's now time to play Up, Up, Up in the Air. Watch the next video for that activity. Bye!